risk wind at 050 at 5. Wilmington altimeter 3008, proceed on course.
3008, 2 November Hotel on the go. Wilmington ground 254 Romeo Tango, clearly active runway 6 via Alpha, taxiing to Air Wilmington 4 Romeo Tango.
Sirius 4 Romeo Tango still on tower, but taxi to Air Wilmington via Alpha.
Roger that, 4 Romeo Tango.
$500. Traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, same altitude.
Sable 1 tower, helicopter traffic 1 mile south of the airport, southbound, currently 400 feet.
Sable 1 searching.
Helicopter 2 November Hotel, helicopter traffic 5 miles to the south, southeast, maneuvering in the area, 1,700.
Helicopter 2 November Hotel, searching for traffic, we'll stay 1,000 and below.
Roger that.
Sable 1, I have the helicopter in play.
Sable 1, thank you. Helicopter 2 November Hotel, traffic as you say.
2 November Hotel, thanks.
Grumman 906 uniform, where are you parking?
Going to the FBO.
Grumman 906 uniform, turn left at Alpha, contact ground point 9.
Ground point 9 or 96 uniform. Wilmington ground, Grumman 9896 uniform at Alpha.
Grumman 908-906 uniform, Wilmington ground, taxi to parking via Alpha.
The Alpha to the FBO. Thanks.
Other traffic that